experiment about coagulation and water hardness in this experiment. So a common wastewater monitoring test is coagulation, flocculation, and water hardness. In this experiment, our objective is to illustrate the difficulties we face when carrying this experiment, and also to familiarize with the procedure of monitoring tests, and also to illustrate the principles of coagulation and water hardness.
Then about the procedure of the experiment. The first one is for the part A of the experiment. We are going to determine the optimal dosage of coagulant used, and the coagulant is alum. Okay, we have collected the water sample from UTP lake and have put it 1 liter of each water sample into each beaker. Each beaker we have to put in different amount of coagulant starting from 0 until 50. After we have put in the coagulant into the beaker, we start rapid mixing at 250 rpm for 1 minute, and then change the rpm into 60 rpm for 2 minutes, and then change it to 25 rpm for 4 minutes. Okay, during that time, we also need to make sure and observe the flock formation at a certain minute for each beaker. Finish mixing. We wait for the flocks to settle for 20 minutes. Okay, for part B of the experiment, we are going to determine the optimum pH of the water sample. Okay, so for this part, firstly we need to adjust the pH value of the water sample to 3, 5, 7, 8 and 11. Okay, to adjust the pH value, we need to use titration method. Okay, for the titration method, we use the base that is sodium hydroxide and the acid that is sulfuric acid. After we have titrate, we repeat the experiment using the same procedure as the procedure from part 1.
Okay, now I'm going to explain the difficulties that we face during the experiment. Number 1, we had some difficulties on the apparatus during the when we measure the turbidity, as some of the apparatus like this glass is broken, right? So it's kind of difficult for us to get a fixed and precise measurement for the turbidity. Next is when we titrate the solution. It's kind of difficult for us to titrate the sample water from the lake to get the accurate pH value that is needed. So kind of hard for us because the reading kind of fluctuate a lot, so it's very hard. And we proceed to the next one. So this is a fluctuator machine. So in this experiment, we face another difficulties because according to the lab manual, we need to do the minimum RPM is 10, but for this fluctuator, it can only achieve 25 RPM at the minimum speed. So we cannot get 10 RPM.
Hi guys, so coagulation process is actually a chemical treatment in which it acts as a primary treatment to remove particulate and also organic matter. Okay, and it is also very effective to remove total solid TS, total dissolved solid TDS, total suspended solid TSS, and also chemical oxygen demand. And it is very efficient to be used to treat water, to be used in water treatment, okay, including tannery, coffee, detergent, and also tar treatment. Thank you.
Darling, I got my trust issues.